$100 box truck. My buddy Steve just sent me a text and said, hey, but you need to look at Craigslist. There's a $100 box truck from the 50s on there. I was like, what? What? $100 box truck? That's crazy talk. Called the guy. He says it's a $100 box truck. Find out the things that come for free in the back of your $100 V10 Chevy step van. A Lincoln Zypher flathead V12. A transmission of some sort, hopefully for the Lincoln Zypher V12, more likely, or the 6-cylinder GMC, I believe. A whole bunch of red shit. Yum. Belt housing? Maybe for the Lincoln Zypher? Hopefully for the Lincoln Zypher? We're hoping all these parts of Lincoln Zypher. I'm guessing they are not. A huge pile of pistons and connecting rods and garbage. I think first step here today is we're going to try to clean out at least some of the yucky garbage so that it's not so gross in here, because it's gross in here, because it's really gross in here. Clearly a hobo is sleeping here. Awesome. Oh god, the smell is outrageous. Fucking incredible.